morning. Good morning. We are going on a walk today. This morning, Sunday morning. Happy Sunday. My dog here, y'all niece, Ginger, she's acting a fool. She has a hard time on leashes. She's so excited. She gets so overstimulated, and we have tried leash training, and she always, what's the word? She always goes backwards with it. Like, it's like there was progress, and then like if we fall off, I mean, like sometimes if the weather is bad or whatever, she just act like she's never been walked before, and she like chokes herself, and like she tries to throw up, or because she's choking herself.
She getting calmer now.
Yeah, it just takes her a minute, bro. And it almost like it's so bad that like I just be wanting to turn back around sometimes. Like, that's why we usually walk her at nighttime when there's nobody out, because she will really cause a scene. And it's not that bad. Like, I mean, it's my dog, not too much, but I'd definitely be embarrassed sometimes. Gingy, what you smelling, babes? What you smelling? Yeah, so I'll talk to y'all later when I'm inside. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's the same day. I'm tired, but it's 5 o'clock, and I need to run to the store real quick to get what I need to get to cook dinner. So I need onions, I need carrots, I need some thyme and rosemary, because I'm making a stew, and it's gonna be like a lamb stew. And then I'm also gonna make like a shrimp bowl. Y'all will see. Like, I feel like I can't explain it. Let's go to the store. I kind of feel like I need coffee, and I don't really want coffee for real, but I feel like I just need something. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm back home. Yeah, so this meal is gonna be really easy. I'm just about to walk y'all through it how I did last time on my video. I'm not really gonna like talk through it, but I'm gonna show y'all everything that I'm doing. But of course I'm gonna show y'all my seasonings and like kind of the vegetable herb mix I'm using for this. Seasonings, like I said, I got the rose salt again. I'm gonna be doing the 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. I got garlic paste. This is the harissa. This is like the main thing I'm gonna be using. This is a hot chili pepper paste with herbs and spices, and it makes like any dish like really spicy. But like it's like a smooth spicy. It's like it has spice at the end, but it has like, let me see what else it has in it. It has like garlic. Yeah, it's like a Moroccan, North African kind of flavor. Like, if you just are familiar with this, you might know, but they use it in like Middle Eastern dishes a lot. In North African dishes. Smoked paprika, salt, ground cumin. I don't know. I kind of added that. Like, I had looked up a recipe that had put that on the lamb, but I had kind of put that on the marinade already. And then I got my shrimp for like my shrimp. Basically, I'm doing like this harissa paste mixed with honey and lemon. And I got that idea. I got this idea kind of like halfway inspired from kava and halfway just like my mind, because kava has a harissa like vinaigrette, and it's like a salad dressing, but I was like, what if I made that kind of in a sauce? So I'm not gonna really put the vinaigrette in it like a salad dressing you would. Like, I'll let it reduce like down because I have some wine. But anyway, like carrots, onions, shallots, and then my herb is thyme, and then I already have some rosemary. They didn't have fresh rosemary, so I had to do dry rosemary. And I just got these herbs to kind of top it with. This is for our drink, but yeah. And oh yeah, I'm also mixing the harissa with this sun-dried tomato paste I found this at Aldi, I believe. And I also have regular tomato paste as well. So Then on the lamb, it's been sitting out. It's marinated in harissa, rosemary, red pepper, salt, garlic. So it smells like really garlicky and herby. So yeah, that's gonna get browned. So and fire roasted corn mixed with this veggie mix. It has like onions, red peppers, squash, not squash. What is the one? Yeah, it's squash. It's squash. It's like yellow squash. And spices and stuff. It's good. It's like, it really tastes like grilled vegetables basically in a bag. And I get that from Costco. And I got this from Whole Foods. And yeah, I think actually I'm gonna do a little roasted garlic mashed potatoes with it. You all know about the instant mashed potatoes. These are good. I don't care. Yeah, so. So you can't watch by himself. Oh, that was your daddy. Hey y'all, so we're about to make a very easy cocktail. This cocktail I found online. It's basically cranberry juice, vodka, mint or rosemary. I had mint, lemon or lime juice, and then simple syrup. And you can top it off with soda water. I just happen to have like a Canada Dry, like ginger ale. And this is a cranberry ginger ale. This is the holiday edition. So let's go ahead and what do I want to do? Y'all look at my cups. These are from Target. They were $5. I'm sure they're sold out now, but yeah. So we're gonna start it off with Tito's, and you can use any type of clear alcohol, or you might even be able to do this with champagne too. So we're gonna do 2 shots. Okay. Then we're gonna take a little lemon juice. Okay, and then we're gonna take simple syrup. We're not gonna take this. We're only gonna take like maybe if you're doing like one of these, you just like fill the bottom part, so not the big one. I mean, unless you want it more sweet, but I'm just gonna add a little because I already have this. Okay, so then you're gonna take your mint and you're gonna, you could do like one leaf. I think 1 leaf would be fine. Or if you have some small ones, you can just do like this much, like a little bunch. And then we're gonna put it in that. And then there's cranberry juice. So this is 100% cranberry juice mixed with raspberry juice. And I think I like that combo, so it smells really good. So we're gonna do about equal parts, so as much alcohol as you put. I'm gonna do cranberry. And I don't really have any like fruit to muddle in it, so I'm just muddling the mint in it just to get some of the mint, like, you know, you want the mint like aromatic. And let me get some ice. I have like ice molds, like a cube, so we're just gonna do 1 cube and just shake it. There's ooh, it's about to come out. I was about to say, because there's no ice in it, so it's like, okay, now I feel like y'all can see me a lot better. Okay, so oops, the ice, whatever ice you want to use, place it in a cup like this, and then take your alcohol, pour it on top. Okay, and then I'm gonna open this up real quick. Take the little cranberry Sprite, top it. Y'all, I wish I had, what is that? Cranberries. I don't have cranberries. I forgot to get some. And take a little piece of lemon. I hope y'all can see this. If not, y'all will understand. I'll show y'all a different angle. Place that on top. And then take some mint. Like this. Like, it really probably could be dressed up a little bit more. So it probably could be dressed up a lot more, but this is the outcome. Okay, cheers. Okay, 2 minutes later. All right, let's taste it. Okay, it's good. Okay, I feel like I could have did this a lot better. But if you just like by yourself, or you just want like a cranberry holiday kind of drink, I think this is good. This is the first of many, because I have so many recipes that I found for cocktails, and I'm gonna be sharing them with y'all throughout this whole vlogmas. So, you know, this one's okay. This one's straight. It's like it's missing something. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's the, maybe I should have did soda water instead of ginger ale. I don't know. Something about it. Okay, I'm gonna make my the second one because I made two, so let's see how this one is. I feel like I wish I had lime juice, but I don't think I have a lime. No, I don't. I do not have a lime. Maybe you could use a cherry. Cherry. I know what it needs. I know what it needs. Orange juice. That's what it's missing. It needs like something more acidic. So we're gonna pour a little orange juice in this as well and see if that kind of brings it a little bit more life. Like, I don't know. That one's okay. I'll probably drink that one. I'm gonna do 2 shots. Okay, and put ice in it as well. But to be honest, my ice is really trash, like out in my refrigerator. So that's why I didn't do that. But usually I would put ice in it. All right. Okay, yeah, and this made a little bit more. Okay, I think with the orange juice, it's gonna be good. Put a little bit of that. Okay, this one's good. I just still feel like it needs lime. That's what it's really missing. So, you know, nice try the first time, but I don't even think I want Devin to try this on camera because I don't even know if he's gonna like it, honestly. So yeah, I'm getting ready to eat though, y'all, and that's pretty much wrapping up the night. So I'll insert a video or picture of how my food came out, but y'all already know I walked y'all through everything, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. That wraps up today's vlogmas, and catch me again tomorrow. I am very tired, but I am still feeling really good showing up and like doing this, and yeah, it's been fun so far. But yeah, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to subscribe. Talk to y'all later. Bye.